As the weather starts to get warmer, people start to use their air conditioners more. A good way to keep them as efficient as possible is to clean your air conditioning filter. To do this, you must first turn off your device, and there's usually 2 tabs on the front of the device to pull down the front screen that holds the filter in place. There's usually 2 tabs on the filter as well to pull it completely out of the device. You're looking for this little fibrous pad. Here you can see that this device has a drawer that completely pulls out. They open in varying ways, but the filters generally look the same. You'll need dish soap and a source of running water. You'll wet the filter first, and then you'll run soap through the filter, lightly scrubbing it with your thumb or a soft sponge, just to make sure that you clean all of the fibers without damaging them. Here you can see we're making sure not to damage any of them while rubbing the soap in, cleaning it pretty well. After you've scrubbed the soap into the filter completely, you'll want to then rinse it out completely. Here you can see us drying it out with a paper towel. Just place it on a paper towel and use another one to dab up the water from the fibers. You'll want to make sure that the filter is completely dry before you replace it. And then here you can see us replacing it again and putting the plate back on the front that holds it in place. You will now have fresh air running through your entire apartment, and thanks for watching.